Welcome to Spirit of Math. The purpose of this tutorial is to demonstrate how to set up your account using our new registration portal. Sign in at the top right-hand corner and enter your email and password. If this is the first time you are using this registration portal, you will need to reset your password by selecting Forgot Password. Once you have logged in, go to the Home button on the top. You can enter in all the students that will be participating in Spirit of Math or any other programs that are offered. If you would like to add new students joining a program this year, you can add them by clicking on the plus button, entering their first name and last name, and click Submit. We also recommend that you update information as necessary, such as their day school or medical history, for children that are currently enrolled in any of our programs. This will help to expedite the process when you register. We advise the same for the parent and guardian information in this section, as well as emergency contacts. You can also change your email and password whenever necessary by selecting your login name at the top right-hand corner and clicking Account Settings. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact your campus.